Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fog lights on your Toyota 4Runner. First, let's gather our necessary tools. You'll want a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and your replacement fog light bulbs. Having a clean, well-lit workspace will make this process much smoother and safer. This is a straightforward task that can significantly improve your vehicle's visibility and appearance. Next, we'll gain access to the fog light. Begin by turning your front wheels fully to one side. This provides better access to the fender liner. Locate and remove the 3 or 4 10mm bolts securing the fender liner. Once these are out, carefully pull back the fender liner. This will reveal the back of the fog light housing, giving you the space needed to work. Now, let's disconnect and remove the old fog light. First, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the small tab on the connector to release its lock, then gently slide the entire plug straight off the bulb's base. With the electrical connection free, grasp the base of the old bulb and rotate it approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise. You can then pull the bulb straight out of its housing. Finally, we'll install the new fog light and test it. Carefully insert your new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs. Rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise until it locks securely into place. Next, push the electrical plug straight onto the base of the new bulb. You should hear a distinct click, confirming it's fully connected. Before reassembling, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to ensure it functions correctly. Then, replace the fender liner bolts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.